fucking Sergeant Caskey. Thinks he's so hard. Look at those muscles. Damn. It's in the middle of a sandstorm. Got their motivated Lance Corporal Carey working on the comm. And got his Jello Dog Lance Corporal, no, PSD Gruber learning the comm. All inside of a sandstorm. Look at that shit. Or stuff. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Dad. It's always photo happy. Loves to be in the camera. Look at this.
Making a movie?
Yep, making a movie. Now that internet center that you guys that I call from all the time is right over here. It's just over these steps. Walk over these steps. I'll go ahead and show you now. Down. And then over here. That little hoo-yah, that little net up there is the smoking area. Rob. The internet place. The internet center. Give you a quick peek in before anybody says anything crazy. Yep, that's it. And that's me. Sergeant Bobby S. Thompson walking in the sandstorm, looking gross and nasty. Probably got dirt all in my mouth, on my nose, on my face. That's what I look like. No shades on. Alright, love you guys. Bye.